The following presentation is on the stages of problem solving. The stages of problem solving can be divided into several stages. This is done to make it easier to understand the steps in the process of problem solving. To become a successful problem solver, you need to understand the stages involved and follow them in sequential order whenever you have a problem. The following diagram shows the steps in the problem-solving cycle. There are 7 steps. The first step is to identify, the second to explore, the third to set goals, the fourth to look at alternatives, the fifth to select an option, the sixth to implement, and the 7th step would be to evaluate. Each step is interconnected with the other steps in the cycle. In stage 1, you will define the problem. You must clearly state the problem. You must also identify what circumstances led to this particular problem. You should write a clear definition of the problem and the barriers that are faced. Stage 2 and 3, you should find possible solutions to the problem. You want to analyze the problem so that you fully understand it and then develop ideas which will achieve your goal. You also want to develop these several ideas to solve the problem to increase your chances of finding the best solution to the problem. In stage 6, you will implement the solution. The process of implementing the solution occurs in 3 stages. You have the planning and preparing to implement the solution. You have the taking the appropriate action and monitoring the effects. And under this stage, you have the process has to be monitored to make sure the solution is going smoothly, and you must address any problems quickly. And then the third stage would be to review the success of the action. And in the last stage, stage 7, you will evaluate the outcome of the solution. Successful problem solving involves looking at the outcomes of the solution and making the changes in the earlier stages if necessary in order to reach the identified goal. If you would like additional information on problem solving, please visit the resources listed below. This concludes the presentation on problem solving.